en façade là-dessus de mur. Rejoins, Rejoins du monde, Chicas, Rejoins.
Hey bros, Raurii. We are here in the backstage for the Heiva International. Today is the World Cup. Everyone's stressed, you know.
Le drapeau mexicain, hein? Et les bros.
Les bros. Yo les bros.
Ici c'est les bros, ici. Les bros, c'est Mario Bros.
On l'a fait monter. Non, c'était un drapeau qui était là, je ne sais pas ce qu'il fait avec. Il n'y a rien à faire avec.
Hey, what's happening here at the World Cup? Ooh, 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 ooh.
USA represent.
Hey John, is that tight?
What's up, bro?
Hello! Yorana!
Ready?
Can you go with that?
Let's
yes.
Representing their countries today, we have from the countries of Japan, Mexico, the United States of America, and Tahiti. We will be streaming live on OPT. You can log on and watch it live wherever you are in the world. This competition will be rerun on April the 21st by TNTV.
今晩は4つの国から来ていただいたダンサーたちがコンペティションに入りますので、その国々は日本、メキシコ、アメリカともちろんタヒチのダンサーが来ます。ライブのストリーミングが流れていますので、それはネットフェヌア .tv でこのショーがライブで見られます。で、TNTV でこの番組が4月の21日で見れ今していただきます。テーマと音楽とその気持ちがちゃんと表現できるかをいろんなポイントで
Ça y est, la Coupe du Monde est terminée. Regardez ça.
So much.
everybody.
Very nice. This guy. This is crazy.
Party tonight.
I want to party.
What's up, bro? It's Ori. I'm here with Talent. Hey, he win the first World Cup of Ori Tahiti. He's the winner, the big winner, bros. Hey, show your pride.
This and this and
These abs.
yes, that comes with the package deal.
So, bro, tell us your feeling right now.
This is my first time to Tahiti. The first week just was amazing to learn all the choreography from many different Tahitians and the locals, and I'm just very blessed by the workshops, and this is just a bonus for me, and I was just happy that I came to Tahiti for the first time. But this is amazing. Words can explain how I feel right now.
Bro, now you have a story to tell for your little son in the future, you know?
Sons.
Sons, yeah, bro.
Yes.
So, hey, thank you.
Thank you,
Deserve it, bro.
Thank you. And good job to you.
Oh,
At the Matavai.
oh, you
Good dancing.
Thank you, bro.
Keep dancing. You're amazing.
Thank you. See ya, bros. Hey guys, it's Raurii. I'm here with Mevina. We just finished the first World Cup and the concert. So Mevina, you're feeling about all of this, the Heiva International Masterclass, concert, competition, and your Tawaki group come here.
Yeah.
So tell us what
it was awesome. This is the first World Cup, and the master class and Matave. I think it's all like a perfect opportunity for us to come here to Tahiti and share like our love and our passion. But besides just all of that, and winning competitions, things like that, is making friends here, feeling like the mana here, to'ata, making friends, hanging out with Raurii, and just being here with everyone. I think it's so cool. I can't wait for the next time.
Hey bro, I gotta thank you. Thanks to you, I know many Japanese people.
Yeah. And then maybe his next
cool.
block he's gonna have a Japanese girlfriend.
One day maybe. Yeah. Thank you, bro.
Hey, thanks, man, and thank you for what you do.
Hey, you see, I speak English.
You speak English really good. This video and all your blogs and vlogs is gonna get bigger and bigger. And then next time when I see you, I hope you remember me.
Next time maybe in Japan.
Yeah.
See ya, bro. Hey guys, so the Heiva International is done. It's finished. Now go to the backstage to find Matani for a little interview. Hope I will find him. Hey les bros. Regardez qui est là. Matatini. Elle m'attaque là. La vainqueur de la première World Cup du Ori Tahiti. Alors, ton ressenti?
Très contente d'avoir porté le nom de Tahiti et de prouver que Ori Tahiti ça.
C'est clair parce que les garçons n'ont pas gagné.
Oui.
Le premier, c'est un Américain.
Et il le méritait aussi.
J'ai pas pu voir, mais je vais aller dans le replay. Et en plus, c'est une revanche parce que le Matava était arrivé deuxième. Et là, première, hein? C'est mieux, quand même.
Ouais, carrément.
En tout cas, félicitations.
Merci.
Et tu le fais en 2018?
C'est sûr, tout le temps. Tu es le faire.
On se revoit en 2018, les bros. See ya. Hey guys, it's Raurii. I'm here with Elisa. She's gonna translate French, the French sentence. Je m'appelle Raurii, je suis danseur de Ori Tahiti.
私はラウリです。オリタヒチのダンサーです。
Hey, comment on appelle ça? C'est l'interprète japonais du Heiva International. See ya, les bros. What's up, bro? It's Raurii. I'm here with Matani. You asked me to turn my video in English because you don't understand French. So we will do this video in English and in French. So Matani, je te pose en français, ok? Dis-nous ton ressenti sur cette soirée de la Coupe du Monde, de la première Coupe du Monde de Ori Tahiti.
Okay, I have to express my ideas about the first edition of the Ori Tahiti World Cup. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy of this edition because I think that I made the people happy. And when I make people happy, I'm happy. So this is a good event, and the people, all the dancers, they were very great. They made a good job. They danced very well. So I'm very happy of this first edition. I'm proud of each of them from Japan, Mexico, USA, or Tahiti. I'm proud of each of them because I'm the organizer. I cannot only support Japan or another country. I have to support each of them, so I'm very proud of them, and I'm proud of my work, I'm proud of my event, and I'm proud of the people because a lot of people came tonight. More than 1,000 people came to this event. I'm very proud of everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Now in French.
C'est vrai que c'est un événement qui arrive à la fin du Heiva international, et moi ce que je voulais dire c'est que je suis très fier de tout le monde. Vraiment, fier des danseurs, des danseuses, des chanteurs, des musiciens, des techniciens, des participants. Vraiment, chaque pays a donné du meilleur, et je suis totalement fier de chacun d'eux, et je suis fier de ce travail. Vraiment, je suis fier de cet événement. Moi, je pense qu'on peut encore l'améliorer pour 2018, et je crois que puisque j'ai réussi à rendre les gens heureux, et ben je suis moi-même heureux de cela. Voilà.
Guys, so see you in 2018, and hope you will be
Here in Tahiti. Come and join us.
And hope you will be more than.
Yeah, just come and join us to the World Cup. Ori Tahiti World Cup. Come and join us.
The video, a great experience.
I would like to thank Raurii because this guy is really good to give the information around the world about what we're doing. So thank you, Raurii, for your work. Good job, man. Good job, and I have to give you a certificate for your work.
Goodbye, bros. See ya for the second cup in 2018.
Thank you.
Hey, bro. On est là avec Annie. On vient de Toyota. On a fait la première Coupe du Monde de Ori Tahiti. Check. Mais bro, c'est un Américain qui a gagné chez les garçons. Fuck. Talent. Et chez les filles, c'est Matatini qui a gagné, une Tahitienne. Et là, on va à la roulotte faire un bon shit meal, sa mère. See ya. What's up, bro? It's Raurii. And now I'm going home because we just finished the first World Cup of Ori Tahiti, Heiva International. I'm very tired, but when I'm home, I made the video of the first World Cup to put it on, to download it on Facebook. So guys, the winner are Talon from USA for the boys. Sorry. And for the girls, the first is Matatini from Tahiti. So thank you. Bravo à tous les deux. Bravo for each of you. Congratulations. And congratulations to all of you, bros. You came especially for these events to Tahiti. You booked your tickets, you booked your hotel room or whatever you sleep in. Guys, you love our culture, our lifestyle, our dance. And just for this, big congratulations, bros. So, here what's happened today. Enjoy it.